Let's make 2 thank you cards today. They're super simple. I'm going to show you in less than 3 minutes. This took me about 10 minutes in real time. I started by taping the cards down because I don't want them to slide around. I'm going to be writing lots of thank yous and I want them to be in a straight line, so I did start with straight lines. If you are confident, you could always just go freestyle and not even have to draw the lines. But I did just draw a few lines to guide me. Now when I chose these colors, I chose them for the person who I'm giving this to, but you could do this with Christmas colors or fall colors, and you could do thank yous, or you could do Happy Halloween, or you could do Merry Christmas, or Happy Valentine's Day, or just the big word love. I did thank yous because I was in a thankful mood. Anyway, every single card I decided to start just by writing thank yous across the lines, and I started every one in a different spot. So I kind of had to fake it on the first word. You can see that in the first line it says thank you at the top, and the second line it starts with the word you and then continues to thank you. So it just says thank you, thank you, thank you, and big and bold in the middle. I have seen something similar done with really super nice writing, and in fact I was thinking, ooh, I should practice my calligraphy so that I can get some really beautiful looking cards. And I thought, actually, let's just use my regular handwriting that I use when I'm scribbling a quick note because it's very authentic, although it'd also be great with calligraphy or other fancy writing. Now, this actually would be a really good way to practice my calligraphy, and then I'd have a really neat product when I'm all done. So when I finished writing all of my thank yous, I thought, actually, I want one more line, so I filled it in here with another line. And then it is complete. I did need to erase those truck lines that I wrote on because I don't want those guidelines showing up in my final product. And then, of course, I have a little teeny bit of touch up here. Here's all the tools I used. Doesn't take much. And the hardest part of this might be carefully untaping without ripping the paper. So please use masking tape or painting tape or something, maybe washi tape, something that doesn't stick. And there they are, 1, 2, thank you cards, takes less than 10 minutes. I appreciate you, thank you. Have a great day. Like and subscribe if you want more content. Bye.